introduce myself. My name is Eva Sibiano Asipa. I'm still school at Vocational High School 9 Garut, class 12 Multimedia 3. Here, I will practice how to operate spin animation in Adobe Animate. Keep on watching.
Okay, the first, open Adobe Animate software. And then, select script 30 point. Next, insert a ball image by clicking File, Import, Import Stage, pick a ball, Open. Reduce of the object using the tool-free transform tool. After that, right-click the ball, then select Convert to Symbol and select the movie clip. Double-click the eating ball object will move to the movie clip. Next, make a keyframe on frame 55. On the right, click frame 25, select Create a Motion Twin. After that, in the Properties panel, select Rotate CW, so the object rotates clockwise. Finally, press Ctrl Enter to run program.
The purpose of procedure text is help to begin make animation so that the animation interesting to see. Okay guys, useful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.